Welcome. In front of me I have LG G8X ThinQ, and I'm going to show you how we can get iOS launcher on this device. So at the first we have to move for the Play Store, tap on search pool and type here iOS launcher, and we have to get this application from the Losing Developer Launcher iOS 13. Let's tap install. Right now we can open this application. Accept permissions. And right now we have to tap on the home button and select iOS Launcher 13. Click Always. Tap that we got it. And as you can see here we got our launcher. And in this bar we have the widgets. And also we can try to edit home screen buttons. Home screen icons. And here it is. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.